Hi friends, welcome to Civil Architecture Tutorials. Today our subject is pressure grouting. So you know where the pressure grouting is usually applied when there is a water leakage problem. We need to do the waterproofing for the surface, especially if it is a RCC reinforced cement concrete structure like water tanks. Maybe it is a building itself, because some of the buildings we used to build in very cold climate. They used to build it in RCC itself, the full structure. That means the wall also they used to build in RCC structure, because I used to work in a place where it is at winter there are snowfalls, so they make the building wall in RCC structure. So there I seen they are doing the waterproofing with pressure grouting. So what is called pressure grouting? Grouting means it's a mixture of cement, water, and sand. Okay, apply with with a pressure pump. So suppose we have I think you can't see this much anyway. I will explain. This is a wall surface. There's a leakage here, and then if it is in a line, of course the leakage will comes from one point to another point that we know. So it may be in some curve or some lines it will be. So identify the leakage area, then clean the surface, and then make holes in it which is in line with each other, almost at a particular distance with each other, because identify the line of seepage or leakage. So make a hole. Usually they are making it for 40 hole, and when you are making the hole, drill it at 45-degree angle from the top, not straight like this, but at an angle, just like an angle 45-degree. Then if it is the nipple that we are using, like this is the nipple, a small pipe like structure. So if that nipple is using it maybe for 75 so we have to make a hole of 40 and then place the nipple in all the holes, and uh, then it should be anchored to the surface with cement paste. Cement paste, sometimes we add some adhesives, or sometimes we add some waterproofing agent also along with that cement paste, so that water should not seepage through that bond. So after fixing the nipple with the cement paste, let it dry for some time, and after drying, this nipple is being connected with a hose pipe, and it is connected to the hand pump. By this hand pump, you can see a handle here, and this hand pump is connected to a slurry. Slurry means it is a mixture of cement and waterproofing agent like Force Rock, Cibex 100, or Renegade 200. These are the usual waterproofing agent that we are using for this pressure grouting. There are so many other chemicals also, but I'm just telling as an example. In the ratio 1:2, and then it will be a paste, like it's in a liquid form. So this we have to apply with a pressure. After some interval, maybe 1 minute afterwards, then take some interval of 1 minute, then again you hand pump it, but the pressure should be at 5000 psi. Okay, and this is called polyurethane injection or epoxy resin uh, pressure injection. So this is that process. So this I have seen in one of my site. And why they are using this chemical mixture? Because the property of this chemical is that once it goes into the crack, after some time this chemical will expand, and then it will fill the gap in that crack. So thus it will fully ensure, or it will fully fill up the gap in that crack, and that crack will be closed forever. So that is the way. And in my site where they after they're doing this thing, they again apply, they knock off this nipple, and then apply the same cement slurry here over it, and then they applied a membrane also, because the leakage was very high there. So they applied a waterproof membrane sheet also on it, so that they ensure that not a single drop of water will leak from that. So this is the way that we are using pressure grouting when we are doing the waterproofing for a leakage in a particular RCC structure or any other structure. We are using like this. I hope you understand what is called pressure grouting and the procedure and the chemicals which we are using for pressure grouting. So I will come with another video with another subject. Till then, goodbye. Please subscribe, share, and like this channel. Thank you very much.